When you're putting away your tools, you want to coil the cable and put it away properly. Now there's 2 or 3 methods of doing the cable coiling and dressing the cable and putting the tool away properly. I'm going to tell you which ones are better and which ones are not so good for the tool. The first one you'll see is if it has a zip tie or a tie line on it. And that's real easy. It's just like coiling cable, which you're going to learn in electrics when you take the electrics class, the lighting class. And you just coil it up into a nice, small, tidy spool. And then you take that Velcro tie, you see the tie, and you just wrap it around, and that bundles it. And that helps, and then you can just sort of tuck it around the tool and then put it away. The second way to do the cable is to, first of all, untangle your mess here. This one was not put away thoughtfully or with any care to the next person using it or the tidiness of the tool room. So you take your cable and you fold it in half, especially with a long cord. This is really good. Then you fold it in half a second time. So you get it till it's about around 2 feet to 18 inches to 2 feet, and then you take this end, loose end, not the end that's closest to the tool, but the end that's furthest from the tool, and you just go wrap it around, and then you pull these loops through, and it makes a nice, tidy little bundle, and that is ready to be put away neatly. The third method, not so effective and not really very preferred, is to take your tool and to just wrap it around a lot. This doesn't really secure it. You can sneak it through here in the end if you want. But what this does is this puts a little bit of a strain on this part of the cord as it goes into the housing and the motor. And it's got a strain relief on there. That's that extra rubber there. But you're going to, if you do this often, you're going to prematurely wear that, and you're going to have to replace your cord faster than you would otherwise. If it doesn't have a Velcro tie on it, then do the fold in half method. Fold it in half a second time, and then take these ends and just tie it in a nice loop. And that will keep all the cables tidy, that'll keep the tool room clean and organized, and everyone will be happy.